Okay guys, I'm about to do a review of the DJI Mic that I've just purchased. But before I do, I'll just show you I've got my mic sitting on down here. It's under my shirt, like so. Okay. And for the video that you're about to watch, the audio isn't very good because I've had a microphone. I've had all sorts of trouble trying to get the microphones working properly, sitting in front of the screen. I've also tried having it sitting underneath, but as soon as I turn my head slightly away from it, it just doesn't work very well. So I went out and bought this DJI mic that's got rave reviews online, and I can now spin around and I can chat while I'm not even facing the screen, and the quality comes out pretty good. So well worth the money. It's I think I got it for 470 bucks. But it comes with two microphones, one receiver, and it can transmit 250 meters away, they say, if you're pointing directly at the transmitter. If you're close by, you can face whatever direction it should get it. But I've been very impressed by it in the short time I've had it. I got that from the DG1 shop in Perth. There's one in Carousel Shopping Centre south of the river, but there's a few other shops online that sell it as well. Highly recommended. I've had a little play with it now, and it's really good. So please bear with the sound on the up and coming video. All the rest of the videos now will be used with this mic. You might want to turn the volume up as soon as it starts, because it drops in and out as I'm talking. Anyway guys, I hope you it's some good. I'm not sure if you're going to enjoy it or not, but bear with me. Thank you. Bye. Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel. I've just purchased a DJI mic, so I just thought I'd take a video while I'm opening it. So let's get in and open her up. Okay, so like most DJI things, comes in a nicely wrapped pack. I'm gathering all the insides will be lovely as well, because they usually are. They're a quality group coming out of China. They make drones mainly and gimbals for cameras. So these fit right along with that sort of environment. It's said to have a working range of 250 meters from the receiver. The wireless mic will work. There we go. Okay, so what have we got in here? We have accessories pouch. This in this nice little carry container. It's also got a dead cat. It goes on the top of your mic and stops wind sound coming through. A USB-C connection cable and an audio connection cable. Then we got the mic itself. I'm pretty sure that's it. A few little warranty issues and everything that's meant to be in the box. That's it. Okay. So here. Open her up. There. So not only is this the charging pack, it's also battery. So I think you can get about 2 charges out of it before you need to recharge. So once the microphone has gone dead, you chuck it in and it will recharge. You've got a transmitter. You've got 2 microphones, one on each side. This is a little clip of some sort. And it's all qualities. It feels like quality when you touch it. You've got a USB-C and a Apple connection. Now these are for the transmitter, so you can actually look how it's going. slide that on like so, and then the transmitter will fit into your phone or your tablet, and you'll be able to run the transmitter straight into your phone. Portable, so anyway. Okay. So put all that back. The charging is by a USB-C cable, which they supply on the back, and to charge it up, then you take this with you. You've got probably a couple of days worth of recording you can do on it. Just amazing what they can do nowadays. Okay. So to turn it off, you push and you hold. Still charging these. I won't use it until they charge up. And then I'll probably do a video on what I have to do. I have to make some lights for my photo box that I made. So I made a photo box out of the cardboard box, and I want to put internal LED lights on. So I'll go through how to do that next. Okay guys, thanks for watching.